Good evening, all. Today, I am going to present a study on immunotherapy in patients with lung cancer with driver mutations. So, next slide, please. So, as we all know, immunotherapy has not shown much benefit in many of the trials that have been done, especially in patients with driver mutations. Instead, it may be detrimental. Next slide, please. We have treated in our institute almost 75 patients in the last 3 years. In that, different combinations of chemo and chemoimmunotherapy has been used. In the 10 patients which has been treated on chemo or chemoimmunotherapy combinations are found to have driver mutation either on the tumor tissue or blood by NGS. PDL1 has been tested by SP263 Ventana platform. Next slide, please. In the 10 patients that we have used immunotherapy, 6 patients are found to have EGFR mutations and 2 patients were found to have MET exon 14 skip mutations and 2 patients are found to have RAS mutations. Next slide, please. So this is the swimmers plot depicting the number of patients on the y-axis and the progression of the patients on the x-axis. So these color changes depict the change in the therapy, and the arrow at the end of each patient indicates that the patient is still on follow-up or in some form of therapy. In the first 4 patients, we have found that the driver mutation was found at the start of the treatment. In the 4 patients that we have treated, the 2 patients had EGFR mutations, were started on different combinations of first or higher generation TKs. When they progressed on the second generation or higher generation TKs, then we have started on a combination of chemo immunotherapy. In the next 2 patients who are found to have RAS mutation, but at present there is no drug targeting the RAS mutation, we have used combinations of chemo or different combinations of chemo immunotherapy. In the next 6 patients, we have started initially on chemotherapy or combination of chemo immunotherapy because the tumor tissue that we have sent did not find any EGFR, ALK or ROS1. So then when these patients have progressed on chemo or chemo immuno combination, then we did a point to send these tumor tissue or the blood on by NGS panel. We have identified that 6 patients had targetable mutations. The 6 patients, among these 6 patients, 4 patients had different EGFR mutations who are started on different TKI combinations, and 2 patients had MET exon 14 skip mutation, and this 1 patient was started on capmatinib. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. With the limited number of patients that we have, so the 2 important observations that we have made is that when we are using immunotherapy in combination in chemotherapy, especially in patients with driver mutations, there is not much benefit. We have seen a combination of immunochemotherapy, but the combination, we have seen that the combination of chemotherapy with atezolizumab and bevacizumab in 2 patients which are used are shown to be mildly more beneficial compared to other immunotherapy combination, as it has been shown in the IMpower 150 trial. The other important observation that we have made with the limited number of population is that among patients, especially in Asians, non-smokers, we should always make a point to do an NGS testing on tumor tissue or by the blood sample, where tumor tissue is sent for EGFR and ALK ROS1 mutations which have been negative. These patients, we should make a point that NGS testing should be done on the tumor tissue or on the blood before going that there is no driver mutations in these patients. With these 2 important concluding remarks, I would like to thank my mentors and guides, Dr. Amit and Dr. Poonam Patil, and thanks for the opportunity. Next slide, please. And this is my poster. Thank you. And if any questions are there, please do let me know.